Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivorsalk Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson on a golden oldie. This one's from Neil Diamond and it's called Holly Holy. Hopefully you will have seen my lesson preview stroke playthrough I did yesterday, which I played through the song, and hopefully I'll be teaching you everything I played in that playthrough. So I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I am doing it in the original key that Neil Diamond recorded the song in, which is the key of E. Okay, so let's get to it. The intro. Right, so I'll play through it and I'll break it down and show you exactly how I played it. Okay, so okay, now off into the verse. So what am I doing? So I'm holding an E chord, standard E chord, and rather than there's a riff in it. There's a riff in this song that goes all the way through the song. Little very sort of that one. Okay, goes all the way through the song, and the basic notes are the second on the fifth, the open fourth string, and the second on the fourth. So that's the basic riff. But rather than stop and play it, I think make it with one guitar, it makes it slightly disjointed. So I've incorporated it into a sort of a rhythm. So what I'm doing here on the intro is I'm doing a deliberate sort of slow down stroke on a E chord. A couple of mini strums, like light strums. Then I'm playing the riff, but the way I'm doing it is I'm playing holding the E chord, I'm playing the fifth string, second fret, then strumming the rest of the strings, then opening up the fourth string, lift off the third finger from the chord, and then hit the fourth string open, strum the rest of the chord, then put the finger back and play that second fret of the second fret of the fourth string rather, and strum the rest of the chord. So it's like, okay, so that's how I'm doing it. Okay, then having done that, a little bit more strumming, and then I'll just repeat what you've just done. So it's okay. Then we're off into verse 1. Okay. Holy, holy hours, dream of only me. So two lines exactly the same there. So basically it's E to A, back to E, A, holy, E, eyes, and then you play two of those riffs close together. 6 times, dream of A, back to E, leave me two riffs. Right, got that? So all the way from the beginning to the end of that first line, okay? Holy, holy hours, dream of only me. Where am I? What I am, what I believe in. Holy, holy. It's alright. Now, so what am I doing there? So after the first line, and you come out of that dream of only me, two riffs. Where I am, another E to A, what I, back to E, am, what I leaving. Now this is on this believing. On this part of the verse, there's a climb, chord climb. Because if you listen to it, there's a note in the backing or violins or whatever they are doing. So I'm doing that on a chord. Okay, so it's A, A6, A major 7th, back to A. So we come into that line where it goes where I am, what I am, what I believe in. Holy, holy. Okay, so that climb again is A, A6. Now what I'm doing for A6 is that it's like an F sharp minor shape. I'm borrowing the first 3 strings, 2nd fret with the 1st finger, and just on the 3rd finger, 4th fret of the D string, 4th string. And you've got an open A string, and I'm going from the 5th string down to the 2nd string. Okay, so you've got A, A6, then I'm doing an A major 7. That's the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string, 2nd finger the 2nd on the 4th, and the 3rd finger 2nd on the 2nd B string. 5 downwards. So you've got A, A6, A major 7, and then back to a standard A. And then you go back to the E chord, and you play the riff again, twice. Into the 2nd verse. Okay, so all the way from the beginning, we'll go through the intro and the 1st verse, and we've got quite a chunk of the song done. Okay, so here we go. Holy, holy. Verse 2. So verse 2 is exactly the same to play as verse 1, slightly different words. So then you come out of verse 2, right, and you got that holy, holy bit. And when you come to the end of the 2nd riff, right, so it's go into this chunk, what I call a chunk. It's a standard E chord, but I'm playing slightly palm muted, rested back in the hand here, resting somewhere near the bridge very, very lightly, just to mute the strings a bit to give you that thick, fuddy sort of. And I'm just downstroking a thick strings, okay, and that's like sing a song. And there's a quick A in it, that's just E to A and back to E, like sing a song, sing a song of songs, sing it out, sing it strong, yeah. Okay, so it does that 3 lines of that chunk on the E and a quick A. Right, when you come out of that, sing it strong, so it goes, sing it out, sing it strong, yeah. We go into the A, and it's like, now it's doing this bit. This is like the pre-chorus. Right, so it's down, down, slight pause, and then another one, right? Down, 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 and then to a D chord, and then to a D sus4. Little pinky goes to the 3rd fret of the top E string on the D chord, D sus4, and then back to the D. So it's A, D, to D sus4, to D, right? So it comes out that just like the windfall. Holy, holy. Sing a song. Sing a song of song. Sing it out. Sing it strong. Yeah. Yeah. And then it goes into the same thing, just keep that going and sing over it. Call the sun in the dead of the night, and the sun gonna rise in the sky. Touch the man who can look upright, and that lame man, he gonna fly and fly. It stays on the A there. Yeah, I fly. Goes up to B. Okay, so you got those 4 lines of A to the D to the singing over. Call the sun in the dead of the night. Okay, 4 lines of that, and then it goes to an A, and I fly. And I'm doing that palm muting again, chunk. Yeah, and then it goes up to B. Now you can play a B like that, simple B, 2nd fret, top E string, then 3 fingers playing the 4th string, 3rd string and 2nd string on the 4th fret there. That's right, so you could go, and I fly. Yeah, I fly. Okay, but you could play a bar chord B with a 2nd fret bar, and either 3 fingers like that, or a bar with your 3rd finger. A B chord, okay. Right then, boys and girls, when you come out of the chorus, and you go into "And I Fly," and I fly B. You go into verse 3, which is to play. It sounds exactly the same, but different words as verse 1 and 2, right? And the sea, let it be for with tomorrow. Holy, holy. Right, so you can play it exactly the same as verse 1 and 2, but there is a subtle difference in that verse. When it goes into "and the seed, let it be full with tomorrow," normally you'd play that with an E, and the seed, let it be full with tomorrow, that climb up A chord. Right, but the way I got it, my ears tell me that when they're playing the E chord on that particular part of verse 3, it's not a straight E chord, it's an E major 7. Okay, so that bit where it goes "and the seed," so instead of playing "and the seed," E to A, it's an E major 7. And the seed, let it be full of tomorrow. Okay, so what I'm doing is instead of the E chord, I'm playing E major 7th, and I'm playing it there. So I'm borrowing. It's optional. You can just play E and A, you know, as normal. But to be more like the exact record, I think he's playing an E major 7th. So borrowing the first 3 strings on the 4th fret with the first finger, 3rd finger's playing the 6th fret of the 4th string, the D string, and my pinky is playing the 7th fret of the 5th string, the A string. All 6 strings, you can play the bottom E string open with it, E major 7. So instead of playing the E chord on that and the C, I'm playing an E major 7, so it's and the C, and then back to the E major 7th, let it be, forward to back to the A and the climb up, as usual, A6, A major 7th, A, back to the E, riff. Right, so the whole 3rd verse, right? Holy, holy Lord, take the lonely child and the sea, let it be for with tomorrow. Holy, holy. And then we're into that chunky bit again for Sing a Song of Songs bit, exactly the same as you played it before. I call that part the pre-chorus, if you like. And then you go into exactly the same before, and you come out of that sing a song out, sing it strong. Yeah. Exactly the same as you did for the first time round, okay? And then you carry on playing that chord sequence of the A, D, D sus4 back to D, all the way through Call the Sun, exactly the same chorus again. Call the sun in the dead of the night, that bit again, you play through all that again, and you end up on And I Fly, same as you did before, and a B and a fly. And then we go into the same thing as a verse, right? Holy, holy dream. Except this is the outro, and you just keep playing that, okay? Holy, holy dream, dream about only you. Holy, holy sun, holy rain. Last line. Oh, slow down, holy Lord. That's how I finished it, because he just fades out on it. Okay, so there you go, boys and girls. My take on Holy Holy from Neil Diamond. Enjoy. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.